everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and as usual today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be guiding you how you can upload a local file on your Spotify app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you will just go to your Spotify app. Once your app is open, then you will just simply tap on this setting option given on your top right corner. Tap that, and then you will scroll down until you find an option called local files right after the notification. Here you will see this option called show audio files from this device. So you will just turn on this option and simply tap on allow, and now you will go back and tap on this library option given below. Tap on that, and then you will tap on this plus icon given on your top right corner, and then you will simply tap on this option called playlist, and then you will simply tap on this option called downloaded. Tap on it, and then you can see this local files option. Tap on that option, and these are the local audios from my phone. Yeah, this is how you can upload a local file on your Spotify app, and you can play your local files on your Spotify app. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.